Senate threatens to issue arrest warrant for Lai Mohammed. Sira reveals. The Senate has threatened an arrest warrant for the Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the Minister of State and Petroleum, Timipre Silva, and Minister of Power, Engineer Saleh Maman, over their continued refusal to honor its invitation to answer audit queries against them. Addressing journalists in Abuja, Chairman Senate Committee on Public Accounts, Senator Matthew Uhogide, People's Democratic Party (PDP), Edo South, vowed that the Senate will not hesitate to invoke its exclusive right to issue the warrant, just as he said that it has become a very ugly situation where heads of ministries, departments, agencies, MDAs of governments charged with public functions vehemently refuse to give an account of the expenditure made by them. He said that the committee has no choice but to compel the defaulting agencies to appear before it in line with Section 89 of the Constitution if they persist in their behavior. Also, to be arrested over their refusal to honor invitations extended to them by the upper chamber to answer queries of 2015 expenditure has presented to the Senate by the Office of Auditor General for the Federation, the Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Mrs. Pauline Talen, her counterpart in the Ministry of Solid Minerals Development, ARC, Olamilekan Adegbite, and the Chairman, National Population Commission, NPC. According to Hogide, the MDAs that have failed to honor the invitation of the committee include the Minister of Information, Culture and National Orientation, Ministry of Petroleum Resources, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Women Affairs, Ministry of Solid Minerals, and the National Population Commission, NPC. He said, over a month ago, we wrote to them to come and answer the audit queries raised against them by the Auditor General of the Federation in its 2015 audit report, but they have deliberately and irresponsibly failed to honor our invitation. Their failure to appear before the committee amounts to outright disobedience to constituted authority. Uhogide, who lamented that the hindrances caused by the failure of the agencies to appear before the panel is part of the reasons why Nigerians often accuse the National Assembly of not discharging its duties, said it is only in Nigeria that people will spend government money and fail to show up to defend their expenditure. According to him, heads of the agencies give excuses that are not tenable for not honoring the invitation, just as he said the excuse the Ministry of Information and Culture gave was that the consultants handling the consultancy project and the contractors for the year 2015 are not available due to the restriction occasioned by the COVID-19. On the part of Ministry of Petroleum and Resources, the ministry stated that the failure to honor the Senate invitation was due to the meeting of directors of African Petroleum Producers Organization scheduled for Thursday, 11th June 2020, the same day of the committee's public hearing, just as the Ministry of Power said that it was still producing documents for the hearing for the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Development. it stated that it was seeing the query for the first time and needed time to get a copy of the query and prepare relevant documents for its appearance before the committee. On the part of the Federal Ministry of Solid Mineral Development, it said that it needed more time to prepare adequately. National Population Commission, just as the National Population Commission said also that it needed more time to prepare adequately. Thank you for listening to this news. Viewers, why won't they give excuse? Why won't they formulate and tell lies for not honoring the invitation? Why won't they come up with stories that will make them not to honor the invitation? You see, this President Muhammadu Buhari's administration, I said it, that they are all criminals. They are criminals calling someone criminals. You don't know these people. I said it that they will get it out. This is their own time to get it out. Why would they give excuses? They know that their path is not straight. They know they don't have any clean report to present. They know that what they are about to present is nothing but full of lies. They cannot go scot-free. They are coming up with these excuses to delay the invitation, pending when the president will come up with a reason for them not to be invited anymore. My dear, this must not happen. Where is that monk that was asking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to make IPOB account to him? Where is he? A man who is not a member of IPOB, a man who is not an Igbo, a man who is not a Biafran, asking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to give account on how he has been spending IPOB's money. Now he is missing in action. Criminals calling someone a criminal. He cannot come out now to ask ministers of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to come and give accounts of their expenditure to him as a citizen of Nigeria. Fools adding to the greatness of a great man, thinking they are bringing him down. As for Lai Mohammed, all he needs to do is to put on his special cap for telling lies, and he will be home and dry. He thought he's the only one that knows how to talk. Am I right? He thought he's the only one that knows how to talk. He's the only one that knows how to blackmail and tell people their lives, their life history. Let him appear before the Senate and defend his documents. Let him do that. Let him do that. They will all get it out. They will all get it out. They thought President Muhammadu Buhari will defend them in this case. Never. The Senate will definitely get to the root of this matter. Yes, the Senate are saying that Nigerians are blaming them for not um, querying or or challenging the Nigerians government uh, whenever any any money is spent. Why won't they?